In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit or remove an indicator in TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to quickly change an indicator's inputs and style, and confidently remove one indicator or clear all indicators from your chart. First, let's edit an indicator. On your chart, look to the top left legend. This is the small panel that lists your symbol and any indicators currently applied. Locate the indicator you want to change in this legend. Hover your mouse over the indicator name. When the small icons appear, click the gear icon labeled Settings. This opens the indicator's settings window. A window will appear where you can adjust parameters. Under Inputs, you can change values like length or source to fine-tune how the indicator calculates. Under Style, you can modify colors, line thickness, bars and plot types so the indicator displays exactly how you want on the chart. Under Visibility, you can choose where the indicator appears, such as on specific time frames. Make the changes you need while watching the chart preview update in the background so you can confirm the effect. Once you're satisfied, click OK to apply changes. Your edits take effect immediately on the chart. If you want to make further adjustments later, you can return to the same settings window at any time. Now, let's remove an indicator. Again, go to the top left legend and find the indicator name you want to remove. Hover over the name and click the trash can icon. The indicator is removed from the chart right away. This action only removes it from the current chart layout. It does not delete the indicator from your account or scripts, and so you can add it back later if needed. As an alternative, you can remove an indicator directly from the chart area. Move your cursor over the indicator's plot to make sure you're targeting it. Then right-click on the indicator plot and select Remove. This performs the same removal without using the legend. If you want to clear your chart completely, you can remove all indicators at once. Click the indicator button on the top toolbar, then select Remove All Indicators. Your chart will be cleared of every indicator in a single step. Use this when you need a clean view or want to start a new setup without manually removing each one. At this point, you've seen how to edit an indicator's inputs, style and visibility, and how to remove a single indicator or remove all indicators from your TradingView chart. The task is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.